Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I have been staying at my mom's all week, so I'm filming at another new location. I did bring one box with me before I left, so if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much for the loyalty to my channel. So today's unboxing is Singleswag. Bend down and pick it up. This is a subscription. I think I've gotten like 3 to 4 of these, and I went to cancel because I'm just getting so many products I have nowhere to put them. But they reached out to me and offered a bigger discount if I stayed, and they will give a discount to any of you that order. So I will leave the link and the coupon code below, so if you want to try out this great box, you're more than welcome. So although it's a Singleswag, you don't have to be single to get it because it just has some great all-around lifestyle products. You open the box, it's nicely packaged, and there's a card that's got everything in there. I'm sorry if this video, if it comes out kind of dark. I've been hunting for a good place to film and I just can't find one. And my mom lives right near Sky Harbor Phoenix Airport, so there's planes constantly going over. So you open it up, and the first thing is the Manicadar Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I did get this, I'm not sure if I got it from them or another box. I think it was another box, and I'm currently using it, and I'm about halfway done. It's got a great consistency. I'm not going to open it because I've already got one open, but now that it's getting warmer and people are doing sun tanning, this is a great exfoliator. So if you don't have this product, I suggest that you get it because it's awesome. And the charcoal scrub retails for $38. And actually, I think the jar that I have is double the size. The next thing in the box is a book called Unqualified by Anna Ferris, foreword by Chris Pratt. To be honest, I don't know anything about this book. I don't even know who she is. Maybe I'm supposed to and I'm just kind of out of it, but I will definitely read the book, but I just don't know who she is. And this book retails for $16. So it's kind of, I guess, like a real life romance novel. I'll let you know. The next thing is this. Your guess is as good as mine. It is take 40% off your next purchase with code Singleswag at checkout. Adjustable non-slip headbands. Okay, so when you're putting your makeup or skincare, you just kind of slip it on there. Haven't seen one like that before, but I'll definitely try it. And the next thing is by Melinda Maria, and it's got to be jewelry. And it's jewelry, just don't know. Oh, is that a safety pin? Oh, how cute is that? Hopefully you can see it. It's a safety pin. Okay, stop. It's got like little rhinestones on it. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to stop. But it's a safety pin. I have never seen that before. And the safety pin necklace retails for $78. It must be some type of silver. And the headband, the adjustable non-slip headband, is $18. So these are some great products that you would never go buy yourself. So that's what I enjoy about it so much. And is this a cookie? I don't know if I've ever gotten like real food. Decorated shortbread cookie. I think my mom would enjoy this cookie. I know the puppy dog would enjoy the cookie. And our cookie, donut emoji cookie, is $5. Okay. That's interesting. And there's a couple more products in here. There's Laritzi Cosmetics. Again, I have never heard of this brand. Long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Crush. And of course, you know me, destroy the box. And it's a perfect color for me. I know it's hard to see in this light. Let me see if I could put some on. It's a really pretty color. That's what it looks like. Tastes good. So the lipstick retails for $22. It's a cult favorite matte liquid lipstick that instantly delivers long-lasting and intense pigment. Okay. And the last item is by So Susan Cosmetics, Luminizing Powder Cream. Sure hope this video comes out because there's like such a glare, but I just didn't know where to film it. And this box is $29.99. And again, there is, I think, 25 or 30% discount code if you want to try it. Wow, look at that color. Let's see if I can swatch it. I don't know, it comes out really nice. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really pretty color. So loving that, and it goes great with that lipstick. So I think they did another awesome great box. And let's see how much we got here. The cream to powder luminizer is $25. So the total retail of this box is $202. And again, it was $29.99. But if you use a coupon code, I believe you get, I want to say it was like 20–30% off, which is a really great price for everything that you get in this box. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this box. As I said, it's just such a great lifestyle box with some nice products in there that you would never seem to get yourself. And I'm gonna go put on that safety pin and see how it looks. So as always, please comment, comment, comment. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon.